Jasper? Where's Jasper? Jasper coming? Is Jasper coming, Bunny? Is your baby coming? Yeah, Jasper's coming. Jasper coming? Bertie? Jasper coming? Where's Jasper? Where's Jasper? Jasper coming? He is, yeah. Where's Jasper? Where's Jasper, Bonnie? Where's Jasper? Is he coming? Yeah. Hello, Jasper. Come on in. I'm videoing him. This way. Look at it. That way. Where's Jasper? Where's Jasper? Come on in. Come on in, Jasper. Come on. Oh, hello. Come on.
Hello.
Come on.
Hello, little one.
Jasper. He's off. This is what we've got now for the next few hours. Okay, quiet. Where's your mum, Jasper?
You've got your little boy. Yes, I know, you're looking after him. Yes, we are, aren't we?
I hope you enjoyed the video with Bertie playing with his brother Jasper. Some of the information I've given you so far on socialisation, but it's a massive field. Alright, Baba. Alright, Baba. It's a massive field, socialisation. It's not just about playing with other dogs and play dates. It's about exposure to noises, to traffic, household noises, outside noises, meeting a variety of different animals, not just dogs, going to different places, letting your dog experience walking on tarmac, walking on grass, walking in the woods. It's all about a variety of experiences. Getting your dog to travel in the car. Havanese can be car sick. Bertie's a little bit car sick, although he's just coming out of it now, so I don't feed him just before we travel. But getting them travelling in the car, going on public transport. Noises in the house like your hoover from day one when you bring them home. You know, put the radio on, the TV on. Noises outside, like busy traffic, you know, going past a great big HGV lorry, it's a lot different from a little quiet car or a bicycle passengers, to get them out and walk them on busy roads. It starts from the minute you take your dog home. It should actually start at the breeder, and you can ask what socialisation they've had. So I take my pups out in a pram, I take them up on the busy road, let them hear some noises, let them meet people, children, older people of different ages. The socialisation starts as soon as possible, and you continue it all the way through the pups and the dog's life, really. So the minute you get them home, day one, let them settle in, and then start with your household noises, with your hoover. As soon as it's safe to do so after their injections, take them out on the road, on a busy road. You know, it starts from day one. It's not something that you put off and think, oh, well, we'll join a class and we'll do that in a couple of weeks. Socialisation is happening all the time with your pup. So, things to consider. Go at your pup's pace. So if you do go up to busy road and the pup doesn't like it, you want it to get used to that environment, but you don't want to frighten it. It's got to be a positive experience. So what you could do is pick your pup up, lots of reassuring and lots of silly talk, like "Good dilly doggy, good dilly doggy." Lots of silly talk, which makes them happy, doesn't it? Yes, it does. And maybe carry the dog up and down the road a couple of times, and then try walking, but go at the dog's pace. Positive reinforcement. So that means either one of three things. Positive reinforcement can be touch, so it can be stroking, affection. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. It can be food, so if you've got a dog that likes treats, have I got a treat? No, I've not got a treat, but it could be food. If you've got a dog that's very food oriented, treats work really, really well. Or it could be a toy, the favourite toy, you know, and a little bit of a play after them having a new experience. So everything's positive for the dog, but always go at the dog's pace. Things to consider that will help with your puppy socialisation. They go to places like garden centres. They're usually quite a safe environment for a dog. You know, most people are happy to say hello. Do you want to go down, Bertie? Do you want to go down? Silly Billy. Garden centres, markets, you know, busy places where there are lots of people. Oh, you want to come up now, right? Okay. Oi. Markets, garden centres, you know, travelling not just in the car, but maybe think about public transport, because there are different noises when the bus doors close and when they open. They're all new experiences. Training classes, so there are lots of classes you can go on the kennel club sites in your own country and look, you know, they usually have a list of classes, but there's not just training classes. There can be agility classes, obedience classes, ring craft classes, but they're all places where you will meet a variety of dogs, different shades, different sizes, a variety of people as well. And even consider the Good Citizen Dog Scheme, which is basically your obedience training from start. So things like sit, stay, wait, you know, the basics. And you can go from bronze to silver and gold. Visit people with the dog, you know, get them to visit different people of all different ages, from children to older people, and just make a plan. Make sure that you're doing all these things, that your dog has a really positive experience, it's happy in new environments and well adjusted. Socialisation starts from the day you take your dog home, doesn't it, Rogie? Yeah. So good luck, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon.